When it comes to cake decorating, having the finest cake topper printer can elevate your creations to a whole new level of artistry. Edible printers are an indispensable tool for professional bakers and cake decorators, allowing them to print high-resolution images and designs onto edible sheets that can adorn cakes and cupcakes. These printers offer unparalleled precision and clarity, ensuring that custom designs emerge vibrant and intricately detailed. With edible printers, you can bring your creative visions to life and awe your guests with personalized and expertly crafted cake toppers. For your edible printing needs, we have carefully listed the top 5 best printers for cake toppers in 2024 and their dominant features so that you can make an informed decision. We have also included the link to each printer in the description box so you can purchase them directly without any kind of inconvenience. Number 1 is the Icing Inks Topper Image Cake Printer. The Icing Inks Topper Image Cake Printer is an exceptional all-in-one printer that sets the standard as the best choice for cake decorators and bakers in 2024. With a set of 5 Icing Inks brand cartridges, it produces vibrant and lifelike colors that effortlessly make your cake design stand out. It comes with 12 sugar frosting and 25 wafer sheets, providing an ample supply of materials to fuel your creative confections. The Printhead Cleaning Flush Kit ensures long-lasting performance, while the enhanced Printhead Flush Cleaning Kit Pro bundle system takes your maintenance to the next level. The Icing Inks Topper Image Cake Printer features a compact and efficient design with dimensions of 20 by 20 by 10 inches, making it perfect for any workspace. With weighing just 20 pounds, it strikes a balance between portability and stability. The cake image editing software provides a lifetime of opportunities, empowering you to customize your designs to perfection effortlessly. With its user-friendly interface and advanced features, you can bring your creative vision to life with ease. And that's not all. As a bonus, you'll also receive 3 months of template editing software, adding an extra layer of versatility to your creative process. This means you'll have even more tools at your disposal to explore and experiment with different design ideas. If you're interested in this printer, check out the link in the description box below. Number 2 is the Canon PIXMA Pro 10 Photo Printer. The Canon PIXMA Pro 10 Photo Printer is an exceptional choice for creating high-quality cake toppers with unmatched precision. With an impressive resolution of 4800 by 2400 dpi and Canon's advanced fine technology, this printer delivers stunning details and vibrant colors, ensuring your cake decorations are nothing short of perfection. The ink system is a standout feature, equipped with 10 cartridges that offer a wide color range, including 3 specialized black inks for achieving top-tier black and white photos. It provides the flexibility to create borderless prints up to 13 by 19 inches, making it perfect for a variety of cake designs. Its compatibility with a wide range of media allows you to explore different textures and materials for your edible masterpieces. With this printer, you can unleash your creativity and bring your cake decorating skills to new heights. The printer's speed is truly impressive and capable of producing an 8x 10-inch photo in just 3 minutes and 35 seconds. In terms of dimensions, the PIXMA Pro 10 strikes a perfect balance between functionality and space saving, measuring 27.13 by 15.16 by 8.46 inches and weighing just 44.1 pounds. Its sturdy construction ensures stability during operation. If you want to purchase this professional printer right now, check out the link given in the description box. Number 3 is Better's Topper Cake Image Printer. The Better's Topper Cake Image Printer empowers you to elevate your cake decorating game with its new and improved edition, designed for cake image purposes. This wireless printer boasts a bigger size, enhanced durability, and top-notch quality, making it a standout choice for bakeries and passionate cake decorators. With a 5-pack of PGI 280XL/CLI 281XL cartridges, it ensures vibrant and high-quality prints, with 2 black cartridges for added depth and precision. The printer is committed to delivering top-notch quality, extending even to the materials provided for your bakery. The premium sugar frosting sheets, 25 counts, in A4 size, 8.5 inches by 11 inches, are perfect for creating intricately detailed and visually stunning cake toppers. Take your designs to the next level with our 10-color set of food coloring decoration markers, allowing you to add a personal and unique touch to your edible creations. The printer offers versatile options for cakes of various sizes and designs, accommodating a maximum input sheet capacity of 200 and a sheet size of 8.5 by 11 inches. With its compact and functional design, measuring 13.8 by 7.5 by 17.3 inches and weighing a manageable 17.4 pounds, it combines convenience and efficiency. So, if you are interested in this printer, then check out the link in the description box to purchase it right now. Number 4 is Epson SureColor P713-inch printer. In the constantly evolving world of printing, the Epson SureColor P713-inch printer is the ultimate choice for cake decorators who demand unmatched precision and image quality. This printer introduces the revolutionary Ultrachrome Pro 10 ink with violet, resulting in a broad color spectrum that breathes life into your cake toppers with vivid and vibrant colors. It comes equipped with a 10-channel micro-piezo AMC printhead and delivers prints consistently with outstanding speed, accuracy, and consistency. The all-new Carbon Black Driver mode, powered by Carbon Black Driver technology, enhances D-Max on glossy papers, resulting in exceptional black density that adds depth and contrast to your cake designs. It surpasses expectations with convenient features like direct printing from iOS devices, a 4.3-inch customizable touchscreen, wireless connectivity, and an interior LED light for fast and effortless operation. The P700 printer supports rolls and sheet media up to 1.5 mm thick, including Epson Professional, signature-worthy, legacy papers, and third-party media. Its compact design, measuring 25.4 by 19.6 by 13.5 inches, is 23% smaller than its predecessor, making it a space-efficient addition to any workspace. The Epson SureColor P700 sets the industry standard for exceptional print permanence, ensuring your printed creations, like cake toppers, retain their quality for up to 200 years in color and 400 years in black and white. If you're interested in this color printer, check out the link in the description box below. Number 5 is the EP Sugar MRK Cake Topper Printer. The EP Sugar MRK Cake Topper Printer is an advanced all-in-one printer specifically designed for the creative world of cake decorating. It comes equipped with a set of 5 specially formulated cake ink cartridges, ensuring that your edible designs are vibrant and true to your artistic vision. Further, the package includes 12 sheets of sugar frosting paper, providing a delectable and visually stunning canvas for your culinary masterpieces. Adding a personal touch to your creations is made easy with a set of 5 edible color markers included, allowing you to customize and enhance your designs with precision. The EP Sugar MRK Cake Topper Printer not only prioritizes creativity but also emphasizes hygiene. It comes with an edible printhead cleaning kit, ensuring the longevity and quality of your prints. With its compact and efficient design, it is perfect for small to medium-sized projects and boasts a maximum input sheet capacity of 12. The dimensions of 20 by 20 by 10 inches strike the perfect balance between functionality and space saving, while its weight of 23 pounds makes it a robust addition to any cake decorator's toolkit. If you want to purchase this printer, click on the link in the description box below to make a purchase. After reviewing each of the top 5 best printers for cake toppers in 2024, you now have a clear idea of which one you should go for. Hope you have found this video to be valuable and informative. If you liked it, please give us a thumbs up and share it with your friends. For the latest updates and more such videos, be sure to subscribe to our channel. Until next time, take care.